stop looking at the charts. If you are looking at the price of Bitcoin every single day and you're stressing about Bitcoin dropping another 20, 30, 50%, then you are falling for a distraction. You are falling for a trick. You're not looking at the truth. The price of Bitcoin is the least interesting part about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a stock. It's not a tech company. Bitcoin is money. Bitcoin is money that you cannot debase. And I know looking at the price of Bitcoin go from 126,000 to $60,000, it can feel a little scary. And I get it. I experienced the bear market of 2022. I get it, but we're measuring Bitcoin in US dollars, and US dollars are a terrible measuring tool. The reason why US dollars are a terrible measuring tool is because you cannot measure something with a measuring tool that changes all the time. Government can print an infinite amount of US dollars whenever they want, not just US dollars, any fiat currency, right? So if we look at other measuring tool like a meter, a liter, or a kilogram, those measuring tools, they don't change, right? But the dollar, on the other hand, the thing that we use to measure our value, that changes all the time. And and because that changes all the time, it makes it hard for us to plan for a future. In order for me to plan for my future, I need to measure my value in something that is fixed. So technically, the way I see it, Bitcoin should be the measuring tool. And when you look at the recent drop in Bitcoin's price, nothing has changed fundamentally with it. It's still the same supply, it's still decentralized, it's still censorship resistant, and you can still send it to people around the world without permission. So instead of focusing on the price of Bitcoin, focus on the amount of satoshis that you can accumulate. If nothing has changed fundamentally, if the price drop, it's not a crash, it's a discount, right? It's an opportunity to get the same asset for a cheaper price. It's still the same supply, the same rules, nothing has changed at all. You're just getting a discount. It's like buying a pair of shoes that you wanted to get for $500 and it's Black Friday and now you can get those shoes for 50% off. Remember, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin or 2.1 quadrillion Satoshis. Bitcoin is durable, divisible, fungible, portable, verifiable, and scarce. Hold on. Let me say that one more time. Hold on. Bitcoin is durable, divisible, fungible, portable, verifiable, and scarce. Nothing else works like that. But I understand if you're new to Bitcoin, the price, yes, the price can be a little scary at time and it's hard to not look at the price. Bitcoin requires patience. If your time horizon is weeks and months, then yes, the price can seem a little scary. But if your time horizon is years, then the price is just going to become background noise. And when price becomes background noise, you'll realize that the real risk is not volatility. The real risk is losing access to your Bitcoin. And if you have been buying Bitcoin and you still have it on exchanges, or you're too afraid to take self custody, then check out the link in the description to schedule a free 30-minute consultation with the Bitcoin Way. They will walk you through step by step self custody, securing your wallet, protecting your privacy, running your own node, solo mining, and even a plan B residency for those who need. And if you still have your seed phrase on a piece of paper, check out MicroSeed, titanium backups that are waterproof, fireproof, and extremely easy to hide. You can fit all 24 words on one of these things. Look at the size of this compared to my phone. This is amazing. Wow. And if you want to understand Bitcoin better than most people, check out my school community. All the resources that help me understand money and Bitcoin are going to be in there. And if you enjoy listening to podcasts, check out my full podcast playlist that I'm going to put on the screen right now.